everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Angel. We are very happy that you are here with us today and spending your time learning English.
On this channel, we focus on real-life English, natural conversations, and slow, clear speaking to help you feel more confident.
Today's episode is a long daily English conversation, perfect for listening, relaxing, and practicing at your own pace.
That's right, Maria. Here, we focus on real-life English conversations, spoken clearly and at a comfortable speed.
You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the language.
So now, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin today's conversation.
John, let's talk about mornings, because the way we start our day often affects how we feel later.
I completely agree with you, Maria. For me, mornings are very important because they set the tone for the entire day. When I wake up, I try not to rush immediately. I stay in bed for a few minutes, stretch my body slowly, and prepare my mind for the day ahead.
That sounds very peaceful. Many people wake up feeling stressed, but your routine sounds calm and gentle.
Yes, I believe starting the day calmly helps me stay focused and emotionally balanced.
John, many people listening today have busy lives, full of responsibilities. They work, they study, they take care of family, and sometimes they feel tired.
That's very true. Life can feel overwhelming, especially when you try to do too many things at the same time. When I feel tired after work, I don't force myself to study heavily. Instead, I choose gentle activities, like listening to English conversations or watching simple videos.
That's an important message. Learning English should not feel like pressure. John, many English learners feel afraid to speak because they think their English is not good enough.
Yes, and this fear often stops people from making real progress. To anyone listening right now, I want to say this clearly. Speaking imperfect English is much better than not speaking at all. Every sentence you say, even if it has mistakes, is a step forward.
That is very encouraging. Confidence grows slowly, with patience and daily practice. Let's talk about evenings, John. How do you usually end your day?
In the evening, after a long and sometimes busy day, I really like to slow down, both physically and mentally. I believe the evening is the best time to reconnect with yourself and to let go of the stress that you collected during the day.
I completely understand what you mean, John. For many people, evenings are the only time when they can finally breathe and feel calm again.
Exactly. That's why I try to create a peaceful evening routine. I usually turn off loud sounds, dim the lights a little, and allow myself to relax without guilt.
That's such an important point. Many people feel guilty when they rest, but rest is actually necessary, especially for learning and personal growth.
Yes, absolutely. In the evening, I often reflect on my day quietly. I ask myself simple but meaningful questions. What did I do well today? What made me feel happy? And what can I improve tomorrow without being hard on myself?
That kind of reflection is very powerful. It helps people grow while still being kind to themselves.
I agree. When it comes to learning English, evenings are also a great time for gentle practice.
Yes, not heavy studying, but light and enjoyable activities.
Exactly. I might listen to a slow English podcast, watch a calm video, or simply repeat a few sentences that I heard earlier in the day.
That's a wonderful habit. It shows that learning doesn't always need effort. Sometimes it just needs presence.
Very true. In the evening, I remind myself that progress is not about speed, but about consistency.
That message is very important, especially for English learners. Many people feel discouraged because they think they are too slow, but slow learning is still learning.
Absolutely. Every word you understand, every sentence you repeat, and every minute you listen is building something inside you.
And even on days when you feel tired or unmotivated, just listening is enough.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect every day. You just need to stay connected to the language and to yourself.
I really love that idea. Learning English, just like life, is a long journey, and evenings remind us to slow down and appreciate the process.
Exactly, Maria. When we end the day with calm thoughts, we prepare ourselves for a better tomorrow.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. If you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to Learn English with Angel.
Don't forget to like this video because your support helps our channel grow.
Now, we want to hear from you. Please write in the comments, how many minutes a day do you practice English?
Remember, learning English is not a race.
Take small steps, practice every day, and be kind to yourself.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.